Hello students, welcome back. In earlier videos we had learned what practice set 1.3, okay, which is based on different types of the sets, okay. Now in this video we will learn the operations on set. What are the operations which are performed on the set, okay. So first of all, what is meant by operations on set? So we will understand this with this definition, that is definition of operations on set. What is the definition here? When two or more sets combine together to form one set under the given conditions, then the operation on sets are carried out, okay. When two or more sets are combined together, okay, more than two sets we have to combine together to form a one set under some condition, okay, then this operation is called as a operations on a set, okay. So some operations on sets are intersection of sets, then union of sets and complement of sets, okay. We know how to calculate the complement of sets. Complement of sets is also called as a difference between the sets, okay. What is meant by complement of set? It is also called as a difference of the sets here, okay. Difference of sets. And union means addition of sets, okay. Union means we want to add two sets, and complement of set means we want to calculate the difference of the set, okay. And intersection of set we will discuss in detail these operations one by one. Now in this video we will learn about what is meant by intersection of sets here, okay. So first type is what? Intersection of sets. So what is meant by intersection of sets, okay. So intersection of two given sets is the largest set which contain all elements that are common to both the sets. Means into suppose consider here there are two sets, okay. In that two sets, what are the common elements between these two sets? Then these common elements are placed in the another sets, and this set is called as the intersection of the given two sets, okay. So we will discuss with the help of one example, okay, how to calculate intersection of set. Before that, the symbol for denoting intersection of sets is like this, okay. This is the intersection of set. Suppose for example here there are two sets A and B. Then intersection of these two sets are how to indicate, that is A intersection of set B. How to read this? Set A is the intersection of set B. Read as set A intersection set B, okay, clear? So we will understand this with the help of one example here. So first example, that is, okay, suppose set A is equal to 1, 3, then 5, 7, okay. This is set A. Set B is equal to 2, 3, 6 and 8, okay. So how to calculate the intersection of these two sets, okay. So write down one statement here. First of all, tell me which element is common in both set. 1 is common? No. 3 is common. 3 is also present in set A. It is also present in set B. 5 is common? No. 7? No. Only one element which is common in both sets, that is 3. So write down one statement here. The element three is common in set A and set B, okay. Understand? 3 is common in set A as well as in set B. So how to denote this? Therefore, how to denote intersection? That is, this symbol is used here. That is A intersection B is equal to what? 3 is common. So only element, that is 3, is in intersection. Yes, understand this one? Next. So how to represent this set, this intersection set, with the help of Venn diagram? So we will draw here one Venn diagram for this one. Okay. First of all, draw the, give here one heading, Venn diagram. Okay. So how to draw? First of all, draw the Venn diagram of A and B also. Okay, here. So this circle for A. Okay. Listen, intersection means some elements are common in both sets. So therefore your diagram like this. Here B. This part shows what? This part shows the common elements between set A and between set A and B. Okay. So which is the common element between set A and B? That is 3. So 3 is right down here, because this is common in both sets. Okay. Then what are the elements of A? A set, that is 1. 3 is there, also there. No need to write down in separator, that is. Then 5, 3, 5 and 7. Clear? Then B set. What are the elements of B? 2 is there. 3 is also present in this set. 6 and 8. Yes, understand how to draw this Venn diagram? Okay. Just recall once again. When there are two sets given to you, okay, then what is the first step? You should find out the common elements between these two sets. So which is the common element between these two sets? That is 3. Okay, 3 is also present in A as well as in B. Okay, so write down one statement. The element 3 is common in set A and set B. Okay, therefore A intersection B is equal to what? Common element, that is 3. Okay, then how to draw this intersection of set with the help of Venn diagram? So draw one circle for set A and draw another circle for set B. So 3 is the common, so it is like this one. So 3 is common in both the sets, so therefore 3 is right down here. Okay, this shows what? Common element. This part shows common element of the both sets, that is A and B. Then write down the elements of A. Okay, what are the elements of A? 1 is there. Okay, then 3 is also present here, so no need to write down this side. Okay, then 5 you write down, then 7 is write down. Next, B. So B, first element 2, after that 3 is also present here, 6 and 8. Okay, so in this way you have to draw the Venn diagram of the intersection of sets. Okay, second example, that is set A contains elements like 1, 3, 9, 11, 13. Okay, set B elements are 1, 9, 11. Then how to calculate the intersection of this one? Okay, so what are the elements common in both sets? That is 1 is common, 9 is also common, 11 is also common here. So write down one statement. The elements 1, 9, 11 are common in set A and B. Okay, in set A and B. So therefore what is the intersection of this one? A intersection B is equal to what? 1, 9, 11. Write down all the common elements. Okay, so just observe this set. This set is what? 1, 9. This set of the sets of these elements of this set is what? 1, 9, 11. And what are the elements of B? That is 1, 9, 11. That means this set is equal to B. Write down one statement here. But B is equal to what? 1, 9, 11. Okay. So then I can write here what? A intersection B. Instead of this one, I can put here what? B, because B is equal to 1, 9, 11. So, A intersection B is equal to B. Correct? Clear? Here set B is the subset of A. Okay, what? Here B is the subset of A. Why? Because all elements of B present in set A. So therefore B is the subset of A. Okay, that means how to write this one? Therefore if B is the subset of A, then what we say that A intersection B is equal to B. Correct? As we show earlier, how to A intersection B is equal to B. Clear? So similarly, it is also right as what? It is also right as if B intersection A, then we can say that B is the subset of A, means reciprocal of this statement. Okay? Clear? We will understand once again. Okay? There are two sets given here. Okay? Set A contains elements 1, 3, 9, 11, 13. Okay? And set B contains elements like 1, 9 and 11. So just observe here, all elements of set B are present in set A. Clear? So the elements 1, 9, 11 are common in set A and B. 1, 9, 11 elements are common in set A as well as in set B. So therefore intersection of A and B is what? A intersection B is equal to common elements, write down, that is 1, 9, 11. So but here what is this? B is equal to what? 1, 9, 11. Set B contains the same elements like this intersection set, that is 1, 9, 11. So therefore instead of these elements, instead of this one, we can put here what? B, because B is equal to this one. Clear? So therefore we can say that A intersection B is equal to B. That means here B is the subset of A. B is the subset of A. Why? Because all elements of B are present in set A. Then what happen? If B is the subset of A, then we can say that A intersection B is equal to B, as we see here. Clear? Similarly, if B intersection A means reciprocal of this statement. Okay, when B intersection A is given here, then we can say that B subset of A. Clear? This is what? These two are the properties of intersection. Okay, properties of intersection. Clear? Okay, understand this one. Next is properties of intersection of sets. So now there are number of properties of intersection of set. First property is what? When A intersection B is also equal as a B intersection A. When we calculate the A intersection B, then it is also equal as a B intersection A. Next property, if A is the subset of B, then we can say that A intersection B is equal to A. This property we will understand with the help of example. Okay? Previously we understand this property. Clear? Next, if A intersection B is equal to B, then we can say that B is the subset of A. This property is also understand with the help of an example earlier. Clear? Next, A intersection B is a subset of A and A intersection B is also subset of B. Okay, clear? When we can say that A intersection B is a subset of A, then we can also say that A intersection B is also the subset of second set, that is B set. Okay? When we have to calculate the intersection of the original set and complement of that set. Okay? Okay? Intersection of A and complement of that A. Then what is the result? That is fine. Empty. Empty element is there. Correct? When A intersection A, then what is your result? That is A itself. Okay? then A intersection phi means A intersection null is equal to null set. Clear? Understand this one? Okay, just remember these properties properly here. Suppose I want to prove this property. So what we do? Suppose consider here your set A is equal to 1, 3, 4. Okay, I want to show this property. Yeah? Okay, so first take one example, that is A. So universal set like 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So what is the A dash here? Those elements are not present in A. So write down all elements. That is 1 is present, 2 is not present, 3 is present, 4 is also present, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is what? This is the complement set here. Clear? When I take intersection of these two, that is A intersection A dash. Intersection means common elements we want to put. Okay? So tell me the common elements between A and A dash. There is any common element? 1 is not common, 3 is not also common, 4 is not common. That means no element is common between A and A dash. So our set is what? Empty set. And this empty set denoted as what? Phi. So we can say that A intersection A dash is equal to phi. And this is your property. Clear? A dash is equal to phi. So in this way, each and every property what? Illustrated. Okay. So today we will stop here. In next video, we will understand the next operation of set, that is union of two sets or more than two sets here. Clear? So next video, it is depend on the union of sets. So thank you for watching.